So I get started with a coconut. I'm gonna break that and then I'm going to pick them out of the shell and then grate them so that I can make the gizzadas. Okay, here I have the coconut already grated. I'm gonna do some ginger in it and I'm gonna add nutmeg. Alright, so guys, watch to the end. So actually what I'm making here is the filling. And that is the grated ginger, grated nutmeg in the coconut. And those go straight into the pot. Alright, after I get those in the pot, then the next thing it need is water to cook that. We're gonna add salt and sugar to taste, coloring if I want to make it brown. So salt, which is in everything, sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, a little browning for taste are the other ingredients going into this. There's already the nutmeg, ginger and sugar starting off with. So I'm just gonna add a little salt. I don't measure anything because I do this so much, but I'm supposed to be. And then enough sugar, just enough to make it sweet. And then there will be the cinnamon, like a teaspoon. So I think my filling is done. Yes, it's ready. So I'm gonna turn off the fire. I'm gonna leave it to cool. I'll just cover it. I should leave it open so it cools out faster. Okay, so that's the filling for the gizzada. Now I'm gonna get the dough ready. So I took the dough out of the fridge, it's chilled enough. And now I'm just gonna wash my hands. I will get going again. Okay. Let's go. Then I'm going to get the first one made. And this is what they should look like. Or they don't open up as they bake, they start opening and bulging and all that. Right? And for the filling, gizzadas are done, ready to get out of the oven. So the gizzadas are done and out, and everybody just enjoying them. Thank you guys for watching.
Best I ever had. Gizzada is nice, darling. Keep up doing.
Excuse my appearance, I just woke up. It's been very good. Delicious. Delicious. Genuinely.